Excuse me, sir. I'm gonna have to ask you to step out of the vehicle.
I'm not even in the vehicle.
Alright, sir. You're under arrest.
Hey, why are you putting your hands on me? I could sue you for that, you know?
You turn around.
No, I'm not gonna.
Is that a badge?
A badge doesn't mean nothing without a freaking.
I guess I left it at home. You're under arrest.
But hey, watch you point that thing.
Hey, don't touch my gun. I have the right to shoot.
Watch you point that thing.
What? Oh.
Watch you point that thing. Officer, watch you point that thing.
Put your hands in the air or I'm gonna shoot. Behind your head. Turn around. You're under arrest. The right to remain silent. You're dead. I shot you, dude.
Yeah, dude, you shot that way and I was like right here.
Okay. Just edit that part out.
Yeah, edit that part out.
How? It's going straight to YouTube.
What?
What?
What's YouTube?
Go. Just go. There's no flipping there anymore. Okay. It's a brick. Oh shit. I'm gonna get rid of this.
Shit.
Careful! It's a grenade!
I know, it's a hard ball. How you feel about yourself, son? Tell me okay.
Against the wall!
He's raping me!
Hands behind your head.
Me?
Both of you.
Me?
Both of you.
Why?
Sir, I'm not
Fuck.
playing games right now.
Get your blood go!
Put the camera away.
Okay.
Hey!
Hold on. That doesn't help.
Hey!
We should just go drop John off already.
Okay, yeah, let's do that.
Okay.